Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be taking another look at how to play that very popular Christmas carol, Silent Night, on a chromatic harmonica. But this time, we'll be looking at how to play it an octave lower than what we did in my last tutorial. Here is a chromatic harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours isn't in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into the harmonica. But when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Sometimes you might need to press this button on the right-hand side of your chromatic harmonica, but don't worry, I'll tell you when to do it. Here is what Silent Night looks like when it's written down in the key of C, and this is how it sounds. G, A, G, E, G, A, G, E, D, D, B, C, C, G, A, C, B, A, G, E, A, C, B, A, G, E, D, D, F, D, B, C, E, C, G, E, G, F, D, C. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. Blow into 2. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. And blow into 2. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 5 twice. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 4 twice. And blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, breathe in through 3 twice. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 4. Breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. And blow into 2. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 3. So let's move on to phrase 5. Breathe in through 5 twice. Breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 4. Blow into 3. Blow into 2. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 2. Breathe in through 1. And blow into 1. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.